Good morning. Welcome to our E3 Weekly Market Report. We're a little late coming on today. We had our monthly cotton conference call here. Just completed that. Let's take a look at exports that have come out this morning and see what the reaction of the market is. Starting with cotton, net sales for 2016-17, marketing year low, 13,000 running bales. We had Mexico taking 5,300, Turkey taking 3,300, and Vietnam taking 3,100. The new crop sales, 2017-18, we have those coming in at 152,600. China took 62,100. Bangladesh took 25,100. Vietnam took 21,100. Actual shipments in cotton of 195,300 running bales. The reaction of the market, cotton was down 18 at the time. It sold off and got down maybe where it was down about 25 or so. Right now it's firmed back up from those levels. We're down 8 in December cotton at 67.17. The low made this morning was 66.95. The high made last night was 67.59. Let's go to soybeans. 228,000 metric tons of soybeans for 2016-17. That's down 38% from the previous week and down 19% from the 4-week average. Egypt took 90,400 metric tons. Indonesia took 86,000 metric tons. The Netherlands took 70,500 metric tons. Reaction in soybeans were down quite a bit, reacting to improving weather forecasts. We were actually down 22.25 before that number. Of course, grains and oilseeds stopped trading at 7.45. At that time, soybeans were down 24.25, so it had dropped a couple of cents after this number came out. Corn, 161,000 metric tons. That's up 15% from the previous week, but down 59% from the 4-week average. Japan took 112,200. Spain took 94,500. Mexico took 87,700. Reaction in corn. Corn was down 7 before the report, and when it stopped trading, this is December corn, it was exactly at that same place, so no real reaction. September wheat, the number here, 357,700 metric tons. Japan took 111,700 metric tons. Philippines took 59,100 metric tons. Malaysia took 56,000 metric tons. Reaction in wheat. Wheat was down 13.25 just before the report, and when it stopped trading, it was down 12.75, so slightly firmer. So that's it. That's the numbers that have come out. Just some quick perspective on these markets. Of course, we had big rallies in grain and oilseed because of hot, dry weather in the Midwest. That's what drove us up as much as we've seen this market move up over the last few weeks. We have September wheat rallied during that period, $1.11. November soybeans during that period rallied over 3 weeks, rallied $1.40. December, and it got to 10.47. December at one point, that was the high. December corn has rallied 43.25 cents, and at its peak, it got to 417.25. Right now, December corn is at 391, so we've seen a good back off there. Right now, November soybeans down at 10.10. They've dropped 37 cents. So whether it's the crop reports coming out yesterday, whether it's the exports coming out this morning, there's one thing that matters now, and that's weather. So even though those things might affect the market for 10 or 15 minutes of talk and market reaction, you're going to come back to the weather situation. And if these weather forecasts continue to show improving prospects for rain and cooler temperatures, this market can tumble in grain. Cotton market, that market has been in a range really recently of not even $2 cents. It's moving down into 66.5, perhaps moving up maybe towards 70. It looks like the range that we're looking at for some time to come. Market seems to be trapped in an area where there's good buying under the market on dips, and there's good selling above the market if we can get good rallies. So in time, that will change. But for now, we could be continued to trade sideways in cotton. That's it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.